The reason you are still not seeing results might actually be the reason this is starting to work. There's a phase in trading where everything feels stuck. You are not reckless anymore. You are not gambling. You are trying to follow your rules, and yet nothing impressive is happening. That's the exactly moment most traders walk away. Not because they failed, but because the stage before consistency feels exactly like failure. And if you misunderstand that stage, you quit right before the shift. When people talk about trading, they show one of two things: the beginner phase or the profitable phase. They show the excitement or they show the results. But nobody really talks about the middle. The middle is where you have stopped blowing accounts. You have stopped over trading. You have reduced risk. But your P&L still looks average or negative or inconsistent. This is the quiet phase. And quiet feels dangerous because your brain starts asking, if I'm doing right now, why isn't working? Why this phase feels worse than losing? When you are reckless, at least it's emotional. Big wins, big losses, adrenaline. It feels alive. But when you start trading with structure, it gets boring. You wait longer, you take fewer trades, you size smaller, you respect stops, and the results: small wins, small losses, break-even days, nothing dramatic. And nothing dramatic feels like nothing's happening. But something is happening. You are stabilizing. The shift in trading doesn't start with your account. It starts with your behavior. You don't feel the urge to chase every candle. You don't feel the need to make the day count. You don't spiral after a stop. You don't increase size out of frustration. That's not exciting, but that's growth. But the problem is, growth in trading is invisible before it becomes visible. And most people need visible proof to keep going. The most dangerous thought in this phase is, I have been doing this for months and nothing has changed. But look closer. Maybe what changed isn't your profit yet. Maybe what changed is you stopped revenge trading. You stopped risking too much. You stopped switching strategies every week. You stopped blaming the market. Those are massive changes. They just don't show up immediately as money. And because they don't show up as money, you assume they don't matter. That's the mistake. There's a gap in trading that breaks most people. It's the gap between internal discipline and external results. Internally, you feel more controlled. Externally, you don't feel reward yet. That gap feels unfair. You are putting in effort. You are trying to be patient. You are trying to become consistent. And the market doesn't care. So you start thinking, maybe this just isn't for me. But here's the truth. That gap exists for everyone who eventually becomes consistent. The difference is some people survive it, most don't. Now let's be honest. If you are still breaking your rules, changing strategies constantly, taking random trades, doubling size after losses, that's not the painful middle phase. That's still chaos. But if you have actually defined your setup, defined your risk, reduced your frequency, accept your stops, tracked your trades, and you're still not where you want to be, you were probably in the exactly stage most traders misinterpret. You think you're stuck, but you might just be early. What is starting to work really means? When trading starts to work, it doesn't feel explosive. It feels controlled. It feels repetitive. It feels almost boring because what's actually working isn't the market. It's you. Your behavior becomes predictable. Your risk stays consistent. Your decisions stop swinging with emotion. Profitability is a byproduct of behavioral stability. But behavioral stability is uncomfortable. It removes excitement. It removes drama. It removes ego. And a lot of people don't actually want that. They want a stimulation, not a structure. People quit here because it's no longer exciting. It's not yet rewarding. And it feels like effort without proof. They interpreted slow progress as no progress. They interpreted discipline as limitation. They interpreted quiet as failure. And they go back to chasing dopamine. Or they leave trading completely, not realizing they were closer than they thought. If you are close to quitting, ask yourself something real. Are you tired of losing, or are you tired of being patient without applause? Because those are different things. If you are exhausted from chaos, good. That means you have outgrown it. If you are frustrated from consistency without results yet, that might mean you are building something real. Consistency compounds quietly before it compounds financially. The market doesn't reward effort. It rewards stable behavior over time. Trading isn't about talent. It's about surviving the phase that feels unrewarded. It's about continuing when the P&L hasn't caught up to your discipline yet. Most traders don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they misread the middle. They think the quiet phase is the end, when it's actually the beginning of control. If you are still here, still learning, still refining, still showing up, you might be closer than your P&L suggests. Don't confuse discomfort with defeat.